Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video today. I have a special message for humanity about the equinox, the spring equinox, which is here today. So equinox is every single year bringing us a great urge to balance ourselves. So at the time of the spring equinox, we have the same length of the day and the night, which means that we have a great balance between the seen and unseen world, between the spirit and matter, between your mind and your physical actions. So this is an important time of celebration, not just because of that great balance of nature, but also because at the spring equinox, Sun is moving into the zodiac sign of Aries. And Aries is the first zodiac sign on the zodiac cycle, which means that we are stepping into the new cycle of the zodiac signs, which in astrology it is representing the new year, the astrological new year. So my friends, this is the celebration for all zodiac signs, like an astrological birthday celebration. So my friends, take time to celebrate yourself. Take time to celebrate your work ethic, because you've been doing a great job this year. You've been doing a great job with yourself, with your passions, with things you love to do, with things which are providing you money, wealth, abundance, health. Whatever you're doing, take time to celebrate yourself. Take time to celebrate your talents, because you're constantly evolving yourself. Take time to celebrate your ambitions. Ambitions are guiding us. Ambitions are driving us. Ambitions are giving us a powerful vibrational signal to move forward, to change, to improve, to inspire, to be inspired, and so on. So celebrate your ambitions. Celebrate your soul guidance. Your soul is guiding you always to the right possible directions, to the best possible directions, which are always right ones for you. So wherever you can find yourself, you've been guided to those places, to those events, to those moments. And sometimes we say, well, I'm not so happy with where I am right now. But you've been still guided to those places because you've needed to experience certain lessons life is offering to you. So you would receive the wisdom from those moments so you can finally step onto the next stage of your life. So it doesn't matter where you are, my friends. It's time to celebrate your soul guidance and appreciate it. Rather than complaining or being fearful or being in worry because things are not happening the way you would like it to be, just celebrate your soul guidance. Know and trust that you're always going into the right direction and the good things are always flowing to you. One of the great reasons we are always experiencing things we don't like to experience is because we let ourselves to be afraid of certain things. We let ourselves to worry about certain things. And what is truly important is to honor our energy, to give ourselves permission to step away from the battles that aren't ours. Often people are going through their own painful experiences and traumas and fears and frustrations because of certain wounds which they are still carrying within them. And it's not your job often to heal them, it's their job to heal themselves. So step away from the battles which are not yours and recognize what can you heal about yourself, what can you put back in balance within yourself so you can experience a greater harmony. It's an important realization, because you need to understand that your energy is truly yours and it is sacred. And it is needed within yourself to always invest it into the things which can bring you a greater healing, which can bring you a greater joy, which can bring you a greater harmony. And use your energy for investing it into things you love to do, into your ideas, the inspiring ideas, into your dreams, into goals, and not into things which are like not important to you, which are triggering fears and so on. So my friends, it's all about celebration right now. When it comes to astrological birthday, it's like a great celebration for all zodiac signs. As 2 days ago we had a full moon where we've been talking a lot about a great energy update. We've been talking about letting go of what is not serving us anymore. Now is the time to celebrate everything we have, to celebrate everything we are, to celebrate where we are, and to celebrate our goals, our dreams, our purpose, our mission. Let's celebrate all of that. And at the same time, we can also reflect a little bit our lives and ask ourselves, what is still pulling us out of balance? Where we want to experience more harmony? Because, as I mentioned before, Sun is going into the zodiac sign of Aries. And the Aries is truly an energetic sign. This sign is bringing us a vibration where we often feel an urge to rush into things, to be impatient here and there, because we want to experience fast results. So we need to learn to put ourselves in balance, to put ourselves into greater harmony. So reflect your lives, my friends. Wherever you are, set some great goals, set some great dreams for the future, what you want to experience. But at the same time, focus on the harmony. Why you want those things at the first place? Because we are never chasing any material possession because of having that thing or because of the need of having that thing. We are always chasing things because we want to experience a greater harmony, and we hope that that thing will provide us a greater harmony. So if we focus on harmony, the universe will always provide you what will put you into a greater state of harmony. So this is important to understand, and that's what we are getting right now. So my friends, a quick message for everyone who's hearing it, watching it. I hope you are enjoying in today's painting. I felt a need to share with you the Center of Life painting, which is reminding us of the great center. It is like stepping back into the core of the soul and recognizing that everything external is mirrored from our internal state. Everything outside of us is providing us meaning and messages, like great symbols, which are reminding us what is still present within us, that we are generating that kind of an energy which is manifesting what we are constantly receiving. And if you don't like where you are, if you don't like how your life is going, it's truly important to step beyond the state of complaining, beyond the state of comparing, beyond the state of judging, and start accepting more, start appreciating more, start expressing more gratitude, and start living your life more intentionally. As often I say to you, many people are living their lives unconscious of their intentions. So they are complaining like, oh, I will get sick, I'm constantly in pain, oh, those things are bringing me so many bad experiences, and so on. Whatever it is, take care of your intentions. Every time you're thinking about certain things, at the same time you're unconsciously setting intentions for what you want to experience while thinking about it. So be positive about things, and when you feel certain negative emotion about anything, go deeper into it. As we always say, go deeper into it and find the source of that emotion. Why? it is still present within you. And that's what will help you to heal that wound, to release that energy, so you can get back into that greater harmony with yourself, into that greater state of balance. So you can be ready for that next chapter of your life. So it's time to manifest great things. It's time to manifest abundance. It's time to manifest beauty and wonders, which are all meant for you. So imagine this moment right now as you are stepping onto the next stage of your life, where you are becoming more aware, where you are becoming more conscious, where you are becoming more kind to yourself, where you take rest when you feel the need to take the rest, and you take action when you feel the need to take action. You are becoming more conscious of what you need to do, what you want to do, and what you don't want to do anymore. That's the self-awareness. So, my friends, may you be always guided towards the things which feels natural to you. And may you always be open for greater miracles. So this is it. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of blessings, and lots of power. Have a beautiful day, and see you in the next one. One love.